Good morning, guys. This is our view this morning's job site. We're gonna get this master bathroom. It's not that huge, but it's a nice size. We're gonna fix a couple of things here. First, some blocking was missing. This side, the bench has some flex. We're gonna nail it down, and then these drains, plumbers usually do this, but this is the wrong way to let it sit. We're gonna fix that. Take care of that. All right, we got it ready. 4 screws on the drain, backing, nails on the bench. We came to find out this wasn't nailed down, so we took care of that too. These gaps, they don't make much of a difference. It's gonna be solid. And besides, once we hot mop and the tile guy sets his metal lath, he's not supposed to nail to the hot mop, so it should be no worries for anybody. All right, we got our slope done. Every single corner runs down to that drain. All right, we're all done here. Tight corners. Clean drain. Ready to pass inspection. Another great job done by CV Shower Pens.